this is Jeff here with Honeybee, and I'm going to give you a quick overview of the AUTOMATIX display that comes with the Honeybee draper. In the top left corner is the settings page. On this page you'll see a 5 volt and a 10 volt option. The 5 volt option should always be selected. The 10 volt option is non-functional at this point. In the bottom left corner is the software version for your display. Go back to the main screen. On the right hand side, the right top corner here, is a dimmer switch, so your daytime and nighttime brightness. On the left side here is your left header height control sensor. On the right is your right header height control sensor. And in flex mode, these arrows indicate the cut height. So we want that cut height right around 2 volts. In order to switch to rigid mode and turn your rigid sensors on, you'll switch this bottom left switch to the right, and those will turn the rigid sensors on. Your cut range for which cutting mode you have selected is displayed in the top box here, and then your actual pressure is displayed down here. In order to add pressure, you'll turn the switch to the left, and a blue light will come on down on the header right down there to indicate that the compressor is running. So to shut that off, move it back to the center. To drop air out, you'll move it to the right, and that's a momentary switch. This bottom right switch has the header tilt selected right now, so your reel up and down on your combine handle right here will tilt the cylinder on the head. When you flip that back to the right, your reel switch right here will go back to the normal reel functions. There's a quick overview for you guys. If you have any questions, contact your local Honeybee dealer or reach out to your local Honeybee rep. Thank you.